Hi and welcome to this week's project. I've decided to do a set of coasters and that again, using different colours obviously this time compared to the last one. And the reason I decided to do it again is because I had some issues with the resin running off and I wanted to go back and do it again, and also try about removing the tape at 3 hours just to see if it would work and it wouldn't run off. I mean, it didn't particularly run off the last time. I'm just going to cut this. Yeah, I had a couple of issues the last time, so I just wanted to see if I could try and eliminate it this time. Although it turned out very successful. Anyway, a new set of colours and that, and we'll have a go and see what this one turns out like. So I shall get stirring now. Right, that's us. Got all the colours ready. I'm obviously going on the brown and cream route for this. The colour, that one there is truffle. That one there is antique gold. This one here is ivory. This is the aluminite brown. And obviously white. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is coat over the boards with some... Am I going to coat over the boards? No, I don't think I am actually. I'm going to go straight in and get some colour on here. I'm going to come back and infill with white.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow. Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever. Ooh. There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end. The end, the end. Don't say you're ridiculous, you're not even close. Don't wish for indifference, you're not one of those. We fall, but we always rise up through it all, it all. We get a little wiser. There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end. The end, the end. And if you ever wonder, there is nothing wrong with a little thunder. There's things in life you simply need to know. About sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end. The end. There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end. Before you make it safely to the end. The end, the end.
Okay, I think that's going to be where I'm going to finish it. I'm not going to mess about with them anymore. Just something a little bit different in it. I seem to be getting some sort of stuff going on in this one. I don't know if that's called lacing or cells, but it's called something. So anyway, that'll be it. I shall leave it overnight. And, well, in 4 hours actually, I shall come back. It's 4 o'clock. 8 o'clock tonight. No, I'll leave it till 7. 7 o'clock, 3 hours, and then I'll come back and peel off that bit of tape before it sticks. Anyway, I'll come back and show you them once they're cured and that. Hi, welcome back. This is the final video. The only thing you didn't see, you may remember on the last Cheeseboard project that I did, I filmed the two of them at the same time, so the two of them had the same error with the sound. So all I did was basically oil the boards. It's actually quite a particularly nice board, this one. Oiled the board and popped some ribbons around it. Popped some pads on the bottom of these. I just sanded that bits off. I'm not too worried about it otherwise. I probably could have maybe sprayed them or something, but I wasn't that worried about it. Bit of cream and a bit of brown ribbon, which I got from the hobby shop, and I now have extra of these ribbons for other projects that I possibly do. I like the brown set. I think it's very nice. I quite like how it all came out. So yeah, that's the project finished. This one will be going up on Saturday for you. It's just an extra. It's exactly the same. It's a duplicate of the first project. All that's different was the colours on it. But I thought I would continue and put this one up anyway. I recorded the two at the same time in case something went wrong, but it went wrong with both of them, so I had to redo for for the last one, and I thought I might as well just do for this one, and I could put it up anyway. So hope you enjoyed this project anyway. I shall pop some pictures up after, and thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, give that a thumbs up. If you don't, give the thumbs down. Any comments, leave them below, and please feel free to share. Thank you very much for watching.